You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 61. Closing a service request raised via email. To perform this lab, we need to log in as Bill Walsh. As you can see, I am already logged in as Bill Walsh. We'll click on Jira Service Management. And from under Spaces, we are going to click on NetSoft IT Service Management. We are going to open NIA 13, which is laptop screen is broken. And we'll change the status of this request from pending to resolve this issue. We'll click on reply to customer. Resolution should be done and then click on reply to customer. Add a comment or message for customer. Your request for laptop replacement has been completed. Click on resolve this issue. And if you see the status is changed to resolved. So in this lab, what we did, we have closed the request. Once the request is completed, we have closed the request. Now, one add-on point from my side. Some organizations does not allow to directly close a request from pending to close. It depends upon organization to organization, policies to policies. What we did, we have closed the request. Our request was in pending and we have performed a task. We have moved request from pending to close. But there are few organizations based on their process. If you want to close a request which is in pending, first you need to bring it to in progress, and from in progress you can close it. It depends upon organization to organization. With this, we have completed this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.